Hi, I'm Matthew Jager with Satellite Industries, and today I'd like to introduce SpinFix. SpinFix is a polyethylene plug that can be used to permanently patch holes up to 3/8 inch in diameter. The holes can be square, triangular, or circular. It is currently available in all of our standard portable restroom colors. All right, let's take a look at how it works. That completes our video on SpinFix. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-883-1123, or you can always reach us online at information@satelliteindustries.com. Thank you and have a nice day.